Whew. Hi, I'm Ziggy, here on Earth learning about art and making it. Today, I'm watching Sigma Phi Alpha rehearse. Oh, it looks like so much fun. And so much movement, too. I've been noticing all the movement in art, from film to music, but especially dance. Wow, legs are going up and down, all the clapping, whew, and the shouting. Oh, it looks like so much fun. Oh, I think I want to try that. Oh, I know I want to try that. Oh, I want to try that. Hey, wait for me.
Well, I came to Earth to learn about art.
Ziggy's Arts Adventure.
But there is so much I don't know where to start.
Ziggy's Arts Adventure. Music, acting, painting, dancing.
It's all so much fun.
Writing, playing, and creating.
So come on, everyone. We're gonna get out what we have in our hearts.
Ziggy's Arts Adventure.
So hold on tight, 'cause we're ready to start.
Ziggy's Arts Adventure.
Energy!
All right, class. Paint the still life as it is. A moment without movement. No, Ziggy! Oh, we're painting a still life today.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I just saw Sigma Phi Alpha, and their instructor Bridgette is going to come back and teach me more.
Still. We're painting a still life today.
You should have a lot of energy today, Zigzag.
Oh, like thermal energy or electrical energy?
Like motion energy.
Well, you see, Ziggy, in the arts, energy is how effort or movement happens.
Movement is energy! Oh, I'm so sorry, Thimble.
It's okay, Ziggy. There's no mistakes in art. I'll figure out how to use it.
Still, Ziggy. You must be still in my still art class. Please find another place to dance.
Where can I dance next? Oh, think. Because great minds think. So, the question is, where is the best place to practice our dance moves? Based on evidence, obviously, somewhere people aren't trying to focus on still things. I think that probably describes a billion places on Earth. Parks, ballrooms, empty fields. Well, the weather is wonderful today. Maybe we can find a space. To the junkyard! That's a great idea! To the junkyard!
Crush.
Oh, hi, River.
Oh, hey, Ziggy.
Crushing cans?
Yeah, JB Upcycle is doing a smashing job of it, too.
Smash.
Oh,
Smash.
you like my dance moves?
Yeah, Ziggy, they seem a little, exuberant.
I hope that means full of happy energy. I'm trying to turn my energy into very, very happy dance moves.
Ziggy, I will be very, very happy if you don't knock those cans down. Can you dance somewhere else?
I can.
Oh, thanks. You know, we're all allowed to move freely. Just gotta make sure to let others do the same thing.
Free to move freely. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Get back here, bowling balls.
Oh no! 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 No!
Ziggy!
Wait! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! 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 No!
Ziggy!
Good job, Junkbot.
Good job, man. Now, can I get a recharge?
Oh, that's right. You've been using a lot of energy, too.
My name is Ty, I'm 14 years old, and I am a dancer. I really enjoy ballet. That's what I mainly do. Dance has helped me to become more of a disciplined person and to watch my surroundings better. Dance is a way to release energy. Dance is like Joyful Resilience was a very upbeat, happy dance, and it really helped my emotions, and it helped me to get that out. It helps me to be happier.
Bring out the popcorn, folks. It's Ziggy's Arts Adventure.
Hi, it's me, Ziggy, here on Earth learning about art and making it. Today, I'm joined by guest artist, Bridgette Fortenberry. Hi!
Ziggy, how are you today?
Oh, I'm doing great. How are you doing?
I'm amazing.
So, Bridgette, on the show, we like artists to tell a little bit about themselves. So, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Well, I'm originally from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I'm an English educator here in Baton Rouge. Also, I'm a member of Zeta Phi Beta Sorority Incorporated.
So, how did you become a dancer?
Well, growing up in New Orleans, we didn't necessarily have a lot of money, but I always dreamed of being a dancer. It wasn't until I went to LSU and joined Zeta Phi Beta Sorority, I was able to become a stepper, and I was so excited to finally be able to dance.
And that's when you knew that you wanted to be a stepper?
Yes, I knew I'd have the opportunity to go on stage and perform this clapping, stomping, this energy-filled experience.
Oh, is energy an important element in dance?
It's necessary. We, the performers, have great energy, and we share it with the audience, and in turn, they give it back to us.
Oh, well, will you show me?
I'd love to.
Then it's time for Artist Show and Tell.
Applause, 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 applause.
The thing is, Ziggy, stepping requires your entire body, but it starts with something simple, the clap. So the next more difficult step requires you to clap with your hands, but also underneath your legs. Let's try it.
Whoa, that was awesome!
That was great.
So I've been trying to make a very, very happy dance, but it keeps going everywhere it shouldn't. Can you help?
Yes. So the most important part about stepping is concentration. It's making sure you're really focused, taking all that energy inside of you and holding it still. You want to try that?
Sure.
Awesome. So you're going to get your body set, and then you're going to get into position, and you're going to hold it.
Hold it, hold it,
Wow.
hold it, hold
It's like you're controlling the flow of energy.
it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it.
So during a step show, the entire audience is waiting on this part. They're screaming, hold it, hold it. And you, the performer, what you have to do is to stand there and hold on to all of that energy and concentrate and focus.
Wow, so dancers control their flow of energy.
They really do.
Neat. Well, that's our show. I'd like to thank my guest, Bridgette Fortenberry, and my crew, Jack. Bye. Oh, thanks, Bridgette. I've had a hard time controlling my energy today, but I think knowing all of this will help.
I agree. Ideally, we dancers use our energy to create an experience for us and the world around us.
Well, I think I have a better idea of how to do that now. Thanks, Bridgette. Bye.
Bye!
Focus my energy to pick it up. Smooth flow to carry it. Whew. Cleaning up gives me a chance to practice controlling my energy.
Oh, Ziggy, that was incredible. You put that vase down with such precision and care.
Thank you. Bridgette showed me how to control my energy so I can move how I want, when I want.
Yes, you can.
Hey guys, look at this.
Oh, Thimble used the energy in that brushstroke that you helped her make to show the moment that the still life moved.
Neat. Oh, there's even energy in painting. So now that the space is clear, can I show you some of my dance moves?
Of course.
Oh, Ziggy, now is the perfect time for dance.
A very, very, very perfect time.
Okay, here I go.
Whoa, nice move, Zig.
So
That was really
good.
good. I like
That was awesome.
Move again.
Hi, today we're learning about energy. Energy is how the body moves. For this activity, you'll just need yourself. Dancers use force, effort, and dynamics to show energy, and we can do that just by walking. First, walk like you are pushing something heavy. Now, walk like you are on the moon. Walk in slow motion. Walk in fast forward. Next, walk sharp. Then walk smooth. Now use what you've done to make up a silly new walk of your own.
Good night, junkyard. Night, Boyd.
Hi, family. Today I learned that energy is in all kinds of earth arts. Painting and music and dance. I learned that controlling my energy matters in everything around me. And that matters because sometimes your energy knocks into things and there's crashing. And cleaning up takes energy control and is tiring. I'm glad I'm learning to control my energy. I like being a force for good. And JB Upcycle has some dance moves I need to learn.
Support for Ziggy's Arts Adventure is provided by the Louisiana Division of the Arts, with additional support from and the Foundation for Excellence in Louisiana Public Broadcasting, and viewers like you. Thank you.